in a lot of pain.
Growth hurts, but you have a choice. You can continue to stay stuck and wonder, why me? Or you can lean in to that discomfort and continue to persist. By pushing past those challenges, you'll realize what you are capable of. And it's always so much more than what you thought. Have you ever had one of those days, weeks, months, years, where everything that could go wrong does go wrong? We've all been there, right? The moments where the challenges, they just keep piling up. And the setbacks, they're just never ending. But what if we flip the script? What if instead of focusing on what could go wrong, we dare to ask, what if it all goes right? Even well, when it isn't. When we fall, how do we get back up? It's by shifting our mindset that we can take our toughest obstacles and transform them into our greatest opportunities. So today, we're gonna go through the right framework. This is a framework I created as I was going through my own struggles to help me push past these challenges. And together, we'll learn how to overcome challenges, adapt to change, and transform into the best version of you for both yourself and for your teams. I remember standing there waiting to compete again, looking up at the sky, taking a deep breath in, and realizing that it wasn't about getting back on the course. It was about getting back to me.
And she is taking off the race.